Welcome back. Nice to see you. You'll notice I'm whispering today, which I don't normally do. And it's because I want to try something a little bit different on the channel. I am a big fan of ASMR videos, which are these sort of relaxing videos where people whisper and often do something sort of relaxing, like drawing or applying makeup, things like that. So I don't know if other people watch them, but I love them. And I think often when we're working in an artistic field, we're go, go, go all the time, and we need some just like relaxing, mindless outlets. I know it can be pretty tiring pursuing your passion, and sometimes you just need to unwind. So I thought I would put together a little video of positive affirmations for all you artists out there who just like need a bit of a break. And I would do it while graphic recording the affirmations. So you can also see how I follow a narrative and how I turn it into pictures. So if you stick around, I hope you enjoy it. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And if you're not into ASMR, that's cool too. You don't have to watch it. Just go on to the next thing. And if you have any ideas for videos like this, or like anything else that you'd like to see on my channel, just let me know.
So, as I mentioned, today I want to do an ASMR video for all those of you who like ASMR. I feel like in the artistic community, there's lots of us out there. I know I find it a really nice way to relax, especially when a project or some work might be stressing me out. So, today I thought I would do some contemplative drawing, and I know affirmations are a big thing for folks who watch ASMR, and I thought I'd do something along those lines, but focusing it on encouragement and support and love for those creative people out there who might just be having a tough day or struggling with their work. So I guess I want to start off by saying working in a creative industry or as an artist is not always easy, for sure. Being an artist involves taking things that are really personal to you, things that can be emotional, things that can be quite honest, and things that sometimes require a bit of a leap of faith or pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. And when you work really hard on something and put that much of yourself into it and then share it with the public, that can be really difficult if people don't respond well to it. So for all of you doing that, I just want to say that you're very brave, you're being courageous, but most of all, you're being vulnerable in order to make other people's lives a bit brighter, to share things that will inspire them, things that will push their thinking, and things that will entertain them and bring them joy. So when you're feeling a bit down about your progress on a piece or about how it's looking, just remind yourself that you're not just doing it for you, you're doing it for others, and ultimately it will get where you want it to be, but also it will get out there and it will help bring a little bit of sparkle to someone else's day. The other thing I wanted to say to all the artists out there is that creating isn't just about you. You are doing things that are or sharing ideas that are strong and fundamental to how you think, potentially, and to what you believe. But you're ultimately doing it to share, if you're doing it as part of a job, or as even as an artist that practices in a public way. So if you exhibit, if you just post things on Instagram. And so all of that really is to share the thing that you're making with others. And so you don't have to have it all rest on your shoulders. You don't have to think of it as your one chance of expressing all your thoughts and feelings on a subject. Instead, you can break it down into little pieces of the puzzle that you're sharing with other people. And all of those pieces will entertain, and cumulatively, those pieces serve to be your body of work and might express you. But individually, it's just one piece at a time, and it will ultimately make other people's lives a bit better. So it's better to just enjoy it. I think as an artist, it's really important to have breaks from your art, to have other hobbies and other things you enjoy, whether it be the outdoors or exercise. I know a lot of us are really into yoga or into running or things that help us kind of quiet the noise in your brain when you're working on an idea for a long time. Things that put you back and into your body and center yourself. And I think it's really important to have these other outlets of expression and these other outlets that help us find joy so we don't put everything onto our art. So those are just a few little thoughts that I have. I talk to friends often who, like me, are in the arts, not all visual arts. I know, writers, musicians, and for everyone, I think it gets really tough once in a while to come up with new ideas, to say something new, to say something honest, to express really what you want to with your art. And also to put yourself on display, to put things personal to you out in the public and be judged on the quality. And I know for a lot of my friends and for myself, I hear that, it can be hard to separate how people feel about your art from how you perceive them feeling about you. And it is really important not to conflate the two. I don't think accountants go home and worry that the day's accounting isn't representative of their entire existence and being. So it's important not to do that for the arts as well. And there are lots of ways we can do that, whether it be drawing for fun or creating our art for fun and not sharing parts of our art. I think there's a lot of benefit in making things that you don't share once in a while. And in an age of social media, that can feel strange or unnatural. But it's important to do things just for you as well as for your audience. And again, just taking breaks and relaxing, maybe listening to an ASMR video is your outlet. But whatever it is, it's important to not put everything into your creative expression and to save a bit of you for you and to be generous with yourself and kind. And to not give up based on having, one thing that isn't the right thing or one piece that doesn't say it all. There's always another chance. There's always another song, another poem, another drawing. So it's important to remember why you started doing the thing that you are doing, which, especially in the arts, it comes from a place of love. It comes from a childhood joy, a thing that gives you value, gives you self-expression, gives you identity when you're alone, when you're with others, when you're in new contexts, when you're in the same context. And so it's important to remember that first love that you felt for your art when you're feeling frustrated with it or when you want to give up on it. And to return to that childhood place of enjoyment where you're not thinking about the results and you're not thinking about how other people react to the result, but you're just creating for the love of creating. You're creating for the joy of creating, for the relaxation of creating, and just to create.
Thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it inspiring and encouraging and definitely relaxing. If you did like it, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment too with any ideas that you have. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you feel really relaxed, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye.